Right, it's not even 1st of April and prices are going up again. I've just had an email, well I said just had an email, they sent me it at the time, knowing for a full fact that I'll not be able to get an order in before while it was still on cheap prices before it went up. Because they knew what I'd do, they knew that I'd put a 28 ton, I'd put a wagon in. I'd want a wagon load before they put price up, that's what I did last time. But price of diesel's going up. Not just white diesel, I mean processing plant that makes this sand, they've got machinery. They've got machinery up there. Oh, go on and let it past. They've got machinery on there that's loading shovels, graders, sifters, crushers, they've all sorts of stuff. All these machines, what were on low relief tax rates on red diesel, running on red gas oil, all the machines are going to be wanting real diesel. They're going to want proper tax fuel in it now, so over £1.80 a litre from 60 odd pence a litre. So yeah, it's sand's obviously gone up, and that's not even 1st of April yet, and wait while it hits properly, everything's going to go up in price. But I saw it coming. Nobody else has, like, it's not even got no media coverage, this. It's not even been on any websites or out like that. Not even on BBC News or out like that. And it's going to affect everybody. Everybody is going to be affected by this, and not one media company. I've not seen it on telly, not seen it on internet, not seen it anywhere. It's only because they keep it quiet, because people like us already know about what's happening, because we've had letters. We know what's going to come, and then when it comes, public gets involved, and then it's like, oh wow, how come everything's gone up in price? Well, there you go, that's the reason why. I don't mean just little bits, I mean everything's going to be going up in price, and it's going to be, not just sandblasting is going to be going up in price, I mean everything's going to be going up. Even down to your forklifts that lift stuff onto shelves. Out that's in a shop that runs on diesel, out at all, it's going to just put price up on everything. Obviously the price of diesel's gone up anyway, it's skyrocketed, and it's, talking of diesel, van needs some. That's one thing I weren't allowed to run on it. I weren't allowed to run my van on that cheap oil. But I'm gonna go get a coffee and calm down a little bit, I think, because they sent me email at 5 to 5 on Friday telling me prices are going up on today's date, Monday. Knowing for a full fact I won't have enough time to respond to email and put an order in. I'm gonna have to put some in van. I don't know if I have enough money on me. I'm gonna have to go for it. I'm gonna have to buy a bullet. Jeez. I'm gonna say this is what's going to happen before long, and petrol stations are going to start handing out mortgages or mortgage applications so you can pay for your fuel. That's, I just put 90 quid in it. Going back 4 months, this van had only taken 93 quid from fully empty. I've just put 90 quid in and I had 3/4 of a tank. Oh no, I had just over a quarter of a tank. I just had just over a quarter. I put 90 quid in it and it still didn't fill it. Yeah, £1.79.9 a litre. And today, I don't think it's supposed to be bright today. It's supposed to be summer. British summer started over weekend. It don't look like it to me. Last couple of days while I've been working, it's been mega. Been getting a bit of a suntan, but now, not today. The day that we need dry weather. We're going to do a, I forgot what we're going to do. It's a chassis. It's a, I think it's a Land Cruiser chassis. Or something similar. It's not a Land Rover chassis, but it's, I'll find out when I get there. But yeah, it's a chassis and we need a decent weather, so I think I'll be fine at just blowing it off and getting all crap off it. It is spitting a little bit, but once that's over and done with, or if it's going to be over and done with, You're not going to believe it, I think I've found the most expensive petrol station on planet. £2.8.9. £2.8.9. Wow. Wow. I'd push my van rather than get diesel from there. £2.8. Hey, I'm pretty sure it's not going to go up first turn, as we know. But she might surprise us. Right, so we've chassis today. I think it's a Land Cruiser. I think that's what it's just said anyway. I'm going to brighten it up. It's going to get some repairs on here. They're going to repair stuff like this, and then they're going to send it for galving. But they want it, obviously want it cleaning up so they can see where they have to repair it.
Told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
to just check it and let this weather blow over. I'm gonna have a little check on weather forecast, see what it says. Right, it says it's gonna stay dry now, apparently. So I'll just fly back over areas, dry it up a bit.
My lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a fucking name, I just wanna be famous. But I don't want that cheap fame, no, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent. And it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots. If I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. Bad energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking fight me. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes. Taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great. Popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la 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 la. La 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 la. Oh, oh, p.m. and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the a.m. that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say.
Yeah, I guess it's getting off me anyway. There's some bits that kept blowing all over. Best they're getting and all. Not spending ages on them. But then, what you can you just... I can't... I'm just putting on a table and clamping. They're just blowing all over. I ain't got a prayer doing them. Just blowing all out yard, so... I think it'll be right enough. Right, catch you on next time.